Using your Netspend card on Cash App allows you to add funds to your Cash App account or make purchases with merchants who accept Cash App payments. Here's how to use your Netspend card on Cash App. Linking Netspend card. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device and log into your account. Access settings. Tap on the profile icon or your balance at the top left corner to access your account settings. Select linked accounts. Scroll down and select linked accounts or add bank. Add card. Choose card and follow the prompts to enter your Netspend card details, including the card number, expiration date, CVV and billing zip code. Verify card. Cash App may prompt you to verify your card by confirming a small test transaction. Adding funds. Deposit funds. After linking your Netspend card, navigate to the Add Cash or Deposit section within Cash App. Select Netspend card. Choose your Netspend card as the funding source and enter the desired amount to deposit into your Cash App account. Complete transaction. Confirm the transaction details and follow the prompts to complete the deposit from your Netspend card to your Cash App balance. Making purchases. Use Cash App card. If you have a Cash App card linked to your account, you can use it to make purchases online or in stores that accept Cash App payments. Select payment method. Choose your Cash App card as the payment method at checkout, and the funds will be deducted from your Cash App balance, which can be funded using your Netspend card.